Today I'm going to show you how to create a Salesforce your own tenant. So this is my Salesforce application. So I typed here salesforce.com, and as soon as I typed here and after doing this thing, I will get try for free. I'm clicking on here. Here, here I'm going to give my email ID and all. So I want to create my own tenant. So I'm giving here Rakesh and sale point, and the job title is SSO engineer. You can give any title. You can give software engineer also. And it is just asking like which for which company you are working, and I'm just giving randomly. Please ask me to give, and here you are going to give the number. You can give if you are in India, you can give in India, or if you are in another state, other country, you can give other country. And here you are going to give the mail ID. What are the mail ID you have? So, and I'm just giving mail ID. So this is the mail ID I'm giving. And after that, you are going to click next. Then as soon as you click this next, it is going to create, it is going to send one mail to you. Rakesh Shilpant. And I'm just clicking here. And so it is just sent a mail. It is going to be sent a mail to you, and you can check in your mail. And once you okay, it will send one mail to you to your mail ID. You have to activate it. So just click on that activate, then it will go into okay. I received a mail, and it takes 1 or 2 minutes. You need to click on this, and this is your mail ID and all. So you're going to click this thing, and verify account is there, and you are going to set the password. So the password, whatever you want, you are going to set it. And here you are going to give the city name.